guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing a frontal unit on my promo girl Toya. Stay tuned. This hair is from my hair collection Lavish Locks. Purchasing information will be in the description below. So like a regular frontal install, we're going to match her lace to her skin tone. I didn't use a cap on her this time. Really isn't much of a difference. You still can protect your client's hair, just be careful with how you're applying the glue. Like usual, I used 3 layers of Ghost Bond adhesive. Once it got clear, I applied her lace. Y'all, this girl about to blow her damn eyelash off. And like I said, once her glue was not fully dry but clear, I'm gonna press her lace into it. And if you're wondering why she has those dots on her forehead, that just helps me to know where I'm not supposed to take the glue. Because once you get that glue on their skin, it's very hard to get it off. I'm pressing her hair back because today we're going to be doing a half up, half down style with some crimps. Once you've pressed her lace into the glue, we're going to cut off the excess lace that's on the front. Now that we've cut off the excess lace, we're going to spray a little bit of freeze spray on it, tie it down, and melt that lace in. Y'all, me and this ponytail had it out. I could not get this ponytail to be in the middle for nothing. And it may look like it's in the middle, but maybe I'm just too extra, but it was not working. We did this ponytail like 5 times. Now that we finally got that ponytail where I wanted it to be, added some baby hairs and covered up the black scrunchie that we used to put the ponytail in. And now for the best part, the crimps. Y'all, I really enjoy doing crimps. I don't know who brought this back, but I'm loving it. The style turned out exactly how I wanted it to. She is slayed. You guys make sure you purchase your bundles and units from me. Information will be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching.